Did you know that you can apply for work from home positions at Amazon? Yes, it is correct. Throughout the year, Amazon has work from home opportunities available. In today's world, Amazon is one of the best places to work. Indeed, Amazon ranks second on Forbes' list of best employers. So it is no surprise that many people want to work for their company. They hire virtual employees to work in departments such as customer service, information technology, and human resources. So if you're just starting your work from home journey or looking for extra side hustles to make money, this video will point you in the right direction. This video will go over some of the different work from home jobs available at Amazon and how to apply for one. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. There are many work from home Amazon jobs available, including customer service representatives, software developers, and business analysts. This post will go over some of the best Amazon jobs you can apply for this year in greater detail to give you a better understanding of the types of work from home jobs Amazon offers. But how do I work from home for Amazon? To work with Amazon from home, you must first visit their virtual location page on their website. On that page, you can apply for the most recent Amazon job openings. This page lists work from home opportunities from all over the world. You can apply for work from home positions on Amazon's website. When I last checked their virtual location page, there were over 400 open positions in the United States alone. If you want to work for Amazon, this is a great place to start. If you're not sure what kinds of jobs they might have on their website, keep reading and watching to learn more. Aside from looking into work from home jobs at Amazon, you can also pursue some of side hustles to supplement your income, such as completing online tasks at Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. Both of these sites are excellent ways to supplement your income while on the go. Since joining Swagbucks 4 years ago, I have earned an additional $4,900 by just completing daily tasks. Completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, and reading emails are among the tasks. Swagbucks, Pinecone Research, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Zap Surveys, Opinion Outpost, and Life Points are some of my favorite legitimate survey websites to make extra money. Now, let us go over some work from home jobs available at Amazon right now. If you can keep up with the Amazon company's pace and enjoy helping people solve problems, becoming a customer service associate could be a great fit for you. Amazon seeks candidates with basic computer knowledge and attention to detail for this position. They also look for people who want to help customers find solutions. Because customer service associates play such an important role in providing accurate information to Amazon customers, this is a critical position on the team. A customer service representative may assist a customer by locating a package or assisting a customer in submitting an item for a refund. Working from home employees communicate with customers via email, phone, and chat. They even communicate with Alexa technology by navigating customers' accounts. Because Amazon position fills quickly, it is a good idea to check their website to see which customer service positions are currently available. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a marketplace for small tasks that you can complete to earn money on the side. This is not a full-time job, but it is a great way to supplement your income from home. When you sign up as a worker, you will be able to visit the official Amazon Mechanical Turk site and complete tasks for payment. These tasks do not pay well, but they usually don't take long to complete. You could start by transcribing audio recordings or researching a specific topic for details. Amazon Mechanical Turk tasks are similar to quick side hustles that you can do for extra money on sites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. Did you know you could become an Amazon stylist? I was unaware of this position until I researched the various types of Amazon work from home opportunities. Amazon seeks experienced and passionate individuals who can provide professional assistance to fashion customers for this position. This position requires excellent customer service, the ability to multitask, and the ability to work well under pressure. They are also looking for people with flexible schedules who can work a variety of shifts, including weekends, nights, and holidays. Furthermore, they seek candidates with at least 2 years of relevant fashion-related experience. Working in the administrative department may be a good fit for you if you enjoy keeping things running smoothly. Administrative assistants, executive assistants, receptionists, and office managers are among the jobs available in the administrative support department. When I was searching for work-from-home administrative support jobs, I came across a few that piqued my interest: post-production interns and film or TV interns. What makes these work-from-home opportunities appealing is that you can get paid to work as an intern for Amazon. Internships, in case you didn't know, are a great way to get your foot in the door with a company. Furthermore, most administrative positions seek individuals with excellent written and verbal communication skills, the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, and previous administrative work experience. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular online affiliate programs. They currently have over 900,000 affiliate members worldwide. The Amazon Associate program is one of the ways I make money as an online entrepreneur or blogger. Bloggers, publishers, content creators, and online influencers will benefit greatly from the Amazon Associate program. When you become an Amazon Associate, you can use your personalized Amazon referral link to share products you love with your audience. You earn a commission when someone purchases a product through your referral link on the Amazon website. Because content accounts for a large portion of Amazon's revenue, finding the best creators and editors to join their team is critical. Because the Amazon team must create large amounts of written content, they must also ensure that it is appropriate and accurate before releasing it. Publishers, digital editors, content strategists, content managers, and creative material coordinators are some of the positions on their editorial team. Individuals with strong management skills, excellent written skills, and experience working with a team of collaborators are some of the skills they look for in this department. Amazon's Human Resources Department works to find the best employees to work for the company. Human Resource Assistant, Human Resources Manager, Recruiter, Benefits Specialist, and Recruiting Coordinator are some of the most common Amazon human resource positions. When I looked into work-from-home opportunities in this department, I discovered that there were many positions that qualified individuals could do from home. Most positions in the Human Resources Department require excellent communication and verbal skills, as well as prior experience working in the human resources field. How do I apply for a job at Amazon? If you want to work for Amazon, one of the first things you should do is visit the Amazon virtual location website to see what jobs are currently available. You can view positions and apply for them directly on the Amazon virtual location website. When you find a job that interests you, click Apply Now. Following that, you will see a space to create an Amazon job account in order to apply for the position. The pay rate will vary according to experience, skills, and job-related knowledge. Many of the positions are full-time, but there are also part-time work-from-home opportunities available throughout the year. For example, the average hourly rate for an Amazon customer service associate is $12, and the average hourly rate for a quality associate is between $17.16 and $23.61 per hour. Keep in mind that many Amazon positions, such as customer service associate, require you to work weekends, nights, and even holidays. Working from home has many advantages, and one of which is less commute stress, which is very important to me. The average commuter spends at least 27.1 minutes driving to work and at the same time driving home. Furthermore, when traffic delays are factored in, some commuters have a longer commute time. Another significant benefit of working from home is the ability to save money. It is natural to spend more money on gas, food, and at times parking when you work outside the home. However, working from home allows you to save more money, which can help you pay off debts faster or build wealth. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.